Go ahead, Mikey.
Okay, the first thing you want to do is lay out all their parts and identify them. Most of them in the bottom right corner have listed what they are, where they go. And then you just simply start with the back bottom, which is listed right here. Turn that down. And then you grab the two inner vertical, and they say bottom. You put those in the middle slots, like so. And at this point, you may want to turn it over and put a drop of glue on the back side to hold the slots in place. The next thing you want to do is grab the one that says back bottom, and you put that down at the bottom. And then you have two more that say retainer back, and you slide those.
Oh no, it's those over there.
I'm sorry, yeah. Inner horizontal back goes in this slot here, with the lettering on that one facing up.
Look how snuggly.
Yeah, like that. And then you have the one that say, we gotta find it here. Bottom back. What did I put down there? I put the top back. So you need the bottom back down here.
Because it needs to have these little locky things up.
Right.
For the little retainer pieces.
Right. And that's why I said to be sure and read the parts. So then you put in the top back at the top, like so. And then you have the retainer backs, which go in here just like this. And again, at each step, after you put one in, you may want to put a drop of glue in those spots to hold it together. Like so. And then you take the end pieces, and it says right bottom and left bottom. Right bottom, you just put down in here. Lock it all together, put your drops on, let it dry a little bit. You do the same on the other side. What am I doing wrong here?
Oh, you're doing it. Just takes a little wiggly.
No, I'm just not in the slots, that's what. Come on, go in the slots.
It's like adult Legos. Well, I mean, Legos.
Oh no, here's the problem there. That's lit up.
Hmm.
We're good, we're good. When it fell apart, it was glued like I told you. There it went. I just didn't have it in the right spot. It makes a difference. And again, it makes a difference. You need to really glue these as you're doing it so they don't keep moving out like what they're doing when I'm doing it now, because they're not glued. But if you glue them, they'll stay in place. You won't have an issue like I'm having. Okay.
Awesome.
And then this one goes here. Trust me, once you get it all put together and it's glued, it's easy. And there's that. So when it's all glued together, the bottom came out because it's not glued, but that's the way it'll look. Okay?
Da 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 da.
And then you there are two little header notches that right here that go right in the top, and you just literally set those in there like that and set the header on top of there, and you got it. But it's very important that you glue these as you put it together and let them dry a little bit. It just makes it so much easier, because then things don't slip and slide like they do when you don't. You don't want to put it all together and then try to glue it. It won't work.
Love it.